Hello, it's me again, Professor Brenda Alvarez. So I'm going to continue. Um, so cash cows, every every single company wants a cash cow where the market may not be growing, but their clients are like constant and they have like a huge amount of market share. They have a good positioning. They doing well in no growth market with limited opportunities. It's great. So, and the dogs are like they do not have a market growth or a big market share. This kind of products um, are weak in the market and are very difficult to make profits. Like if you had a diversification of products and you are getting in trouble with the factories and with delivering and everything, and you have to get rid of some products, you will start with this kind of products, with the dog's products. Oh, okay. So this is a digital marketing strategy development based on this matrix. So what they say is that if you try to do a SEO, uh, if you want to use star tools to market your company digitally, you will use a SEO or Facebook. If you want to use question marks, you will use like Reddit, Snapchat, programmatic ads, Instagram, perhaps. If you want to use cash cows, you will buy on Google AdWords, you will send email, you will just go outdoors or on TV. Those are slow but secure. And if you want to do your marketing strategy with the dogs, you can try radio, LinkedIn, Twitter, Vine, among others. So the third topic we're gonna go with today is the spread of new products and the product lifestyle. There is a relationship between them. So let's find out. This first I'm going to explain the life of the product. First is the introduction. They are I'm pathetic, just working out the kinks. So a lot of new products do not get over to the next phase, that is growth. After the product gets growing and growing and growing, they reach their maturity. They get mature and then they start to decline. That will be the life cycle of the product. And here the product, I think I can, I think I can. I'm the king of the world, maturity, smooth sailing, side decline. Okay, so there are different kind of customers depending on this kind of innovations. This a lot of technology in of the technology industry use this kind of customers. Okay, well, let's start. So first we have like the innovators. Like they see the first product at the very very beginning. Actually, this kind of customers, the innovators, they are actively searching to get the newest thing that goes to the market. So, and they're like a 5% of the total population of the world. After that, they come the early adopters, adopters, where they do like the product and they buy it, and it's just like in the testing area, and they just fixing it, and they actually like buy it like very 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 expensively. The product becomes this line over here, you will see on the next graph, but this line over here is revenue. So they are buying it in a very expensive time. And if the product jumps or pass over the chasm that is like most of the new products do not pass this phase unless they are really good. Then they start the early majority starts to purchase these products. Hey, I heard Ashton Kutcher has one, blah blah. After that, the late majority starts getting it. I found it at Sam's Club. Sam's Clubs will be like a kind of a price mart in the US. After this, then comes the laggards. Like, what? New product? Like, they do not like actually to change or to see what's new in the market, or they are just out of it. So this will be the different kind of customers you can target depending on what you're selling. And this works, as I repeat, more in the technology industry. As you can see, the revenue, introduction phase, growth, maturity, and then the decline phase of the product. So check out your individual assignment. It will be on Moodle. And I hope you have a nice weekend, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. You know where you can find me. And good luck.